Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today let's get busy making the most amazing mango cheesecake. No bake, so easy and so full of flavor. Let me show you how and let's get started. I hope you get inspired to make this cooling dessert for summertime. So good. You're gonna start by prepping a cheesecake pan. A 9-inch cheesecake pan, I lined it with parchment paper. Next, I'm gonna open 2 sleeves of graham crackers, 280 grams for both. Pound with a rolling pin or use the food processor. You want it to be pretty fine, just like so. I add 115 grams of butter, melted unsalted butter. And you're gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. I added 1, but you can add 2 tablespoons. Mix the ingredients together inside the bag and then spread inside the cheesecake pan. Straighten the edges and pack very well with a cup, just like so. Refrigerate and let's start working on the mango sauce. For this recipe, you can use fresh mangoes or frozen mangoes. I'm using frozen mangoes, 24 ounces. I let them thaw a little bit, add 1 cup of water, blend them and set them aside. For the cheesecake itself, I'm gonna use 2.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Whip the whipping cream until it becomes something like this. You don't want to over-whip the whipping cream. Move to a clean bowl and then you're gonna use this same bowl to whip the cream cheese. You don't need to clean the mixing bowl. You're gonna add 16 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature. Add 8 tablespoons of sugar, granulated sugar, and mix very well. And for flavor, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Scrape the sides as needed. When it's creamy enough and well combined, I turn off the mixer and I set it aside, and I'm gonna start working on the gelatin mixture. So you have 30 grams of gelatin powder. I mix it in with some cold milk, and I'll be leaving all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. Place in a hot water bath and then you're gonna add it on top of the cream cheese mixture. When they're well mixed, you're gonna add it on top of the heavy whipping cream and mix them well. Now your basic cheesecake filling is ready. I remove 1/3 of the filling to a clean bowl and I'm gonna add some mango sauce to the rest. I add 1.5 cups of mango, mix it in with the cream cheese mixture until well incorporated. Take the pan with the biscuits out of the fridge and add the mixture of mango cheesecake on top of it. Smooth it out as much as possible. If you're liking my recipes, please consider subscribing. It's totally free, and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button. It lets you know when I upload a new video, and follow me on social media, TikTok, Instagram. The links are in the description box as well. Add the 1/3 of cream cheese mixture. Smooth it out on top of this mixture and do it as gentle as possible. You're gonna refrigerate at least overnight for the cheesecake to set properly. Now let's start working on the mango topping. You're gonna need 2 cups of the mango sauce. You're gonna sweeten a little bit with sugar. Each cup of mango, I'm gonna sweeten with 1 tablespoon of sugar. You're gonna dissolve 20 grams of gelatin in water. Place in a hot water bath. When it's well dissolved, add on top of the mango sauce. You're gonna heat the mango sauce to dissolve the gelatin and the sugar properly. This is looking perfect. I let it cool a little bit before placing right on top of the cheesecake mixture, or you can place in a silicone mold, and I'm doing this just for a different look. I refrigerate the silicone mold until the mango sauce sets properly. It's looking gorgeous. Decorate the way you want. And this is the kind of dessert, the more it sits in the fridge, the better it's gonna taste and the flavors are gonna develop nicely. I'm gonna decorate with some cherries and raspberries, and the cheesecake is ready. I really hope you give this recipe a try, and until next time, bon appétit!